this is what I did today, and it's called hawk's eyes. Now, what does this signify? Hawks are the bigger birds like eagles which soar high in the sky, and they have the sharpest eyes amongst the birds of its kind. Hawk's eyes signify mental focus and clarity. A hawk has an acute vision which allows them to keep them out of dangerous paths or distractions and focus on what's important, which is its prey. They also have a very broad vision, allowing them to see the overall view or the big picture as they soar in the sky. So, when our mind's eye is imbued with the same clarity and depth, we carry a huge advantage in life, whatever the situation might be. Right now, though there is uncertainty around, maybe with our businesses or jobs or other aspects of life, but don't miss the big picture during all of this chaos. It means deeper insight and broader vision both into your experiences, whether they are good or bad. But what is big picture? How do I really do it? So to give you an example to understand this, let's say you are in a business having a restaurant running in a mall, and you decided that some X percentage of sales plan and goals to achieve during 2020. And they don't seem to be moving now, which is apparent due to the current situation because we are all in the lockdown. Nobody is going out to really eat, right? So now you can sit back, wait for the lockdown to open up and restart your business the same way you were running it before, right? Now the catch is you haven't seen the big picture yet and not made any decisions thinking about what else would have been changed in these 2-3 months. Customers are not thinking like what they used to do before because everyone will be skeptical of coming to the public places and they are already used to ordering things at home, or maybe more concerned about their health now, or they don't want to spend money anymore to eat outside because they don't know if your restaurant really serves healthy enough food for them to consume. Or it could be simply just that they're looking at saving the money now. The problem is now you haven't looked at the big picture and haven't strategized your business according to the changing needs of the customer. You probably haven't even thought to reduce your retail space, which you would be paying like a bomb, and look out for new avenues to go online, or maybe invest in the marketing of the internal operations of your kitchen, telling the customer about the safety measures you take to cook healthy food so that you can earn their trust back and find ways to serve the food again. So if you are not thinking all of this and only thinking and going back to your status quo and just doing what you were doing, you will be making wrong decisions and it will be difficult for you to grow as a business. So what should you do? The idea is to go back to your dreams or goals that you had set out for 2020 and check them out with a new hawk's eyes, looking at the broader view of how things are evolving and what new you could bring in alignment to the changes. Maybe try new approaches to see what the future holds for you, and you will find your path forward with that evolving and focused approach. Ask yourself that question: what new ways you are intended to be trying in the future to align with the constantly evolving scenario? And why should you be doing it? And how does it really fit into the bigger picture overall? I'll leave you with those 2 questions. Have a good day.